Hi, today you're Friday with me. I am a Redmi Note 10 Lite and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open the notification panel, and if you wanna add here some options or remove some of these options, or just to change the positions of the icons, you should click to this edit icon, and just to add some options to the notification panel we should click to this green pluses of each of these icons by this way. If you want to remove some of these options, just by the same way click to this red minuses, and that's it. To change the positions of the icons on the panel, we should just hold the icon and drag it to the just left, right, by this way. Then just click here to done to save the changes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.